Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today quickly in this video about an issue that I just touched on in another video. And I'm going to set some background up for you for this video. In that last video, what happened is an individual contacted my office because she had concerns about whether her doctor should have done an emergency C-section in her case. Her child is now not meeting certain neonatal milestones, and there were some issues after her child's birth. For example, the child was suffering from seizures and things of that nature. So that kind of got mom thinking about some things and going onto the internet and researching a couple of topics. And when she contacted my office, she made it clear that she was just trying to find out, get some information, but that she may not be ready to go all out with an attorney immediately. And her question was, in the meantime, was there something that she could do? And I explained to her, yes, if you want to, you can go ahead and you can get the medical records, not only for you, but also get the records for the baby also, and to make sure that you get the fetal heart strips. And so that's what we kind of talked about. And I explained to her the importance of those records and why she should go ahead and get them. Now, what I want to talk about with you today is that just same question, that just same statement that I just made, the importance of those records. Regardless of whether you are going to talk with an attorney immediately or down the line, if you do decide to do that, your attorney is going to have to either get the records themselves, or you're going to have to turn over the records that you have to your attorney so your attorney can review those medical records. The reason why these records are so important is because under Maryland law, to be successful in these types of cases, you have to have another medical expert who will testify as to the care that was given to either to you or to your child, and to say whether the doctors, the treating doctors, or if we're going to talk about a birth injury case, whether the treating doctors or the doctors doing it in the delivery room, whether they fell below the standard of care causing your child's injury. So these medical records are important because your medical expert is going to take a look at these records, and these records are going to help the expert be able to recreate what happened in the delivery room. So why have I taken the time today to explain this to you? Because if you're watching this video, you may have the same questions. You may be wondering, well, you know what, should I contact an attorney right now? Or if I don't feel like contacting an attorney and I've got to get these medical records, why are these medical records important? Well, that's the purpose of today's video, to help give you insight into this process, to give you a better understanding as to what you would have to prove or how a medical malpractice or a childbirth injury case works here in Maryland. If you are now ready to speak with someone further about your situation, this is what I invite you to do, guys. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.